And right now, let's talk about Cyprus and Indonesia collaboration. Right, if Indonesian universities, research institutions, startups, or companies partner with their counterparts in Cyprus, what kind of collaboration opportunities can they expect?
Well, there are, I think, two side effects. So basically, there is the collaboration between research to research organizations. There is also the collaboration between research to innovation, and there is also innovation to innovation. So I would say on the research organizations, I would take an example from yesterday's Cyprus as a gateway into ASEAN using Indonesia speech, where the deputy minister had talked about Indonesia focusing on using seaweed to basically create alternative biofuel. That's a perfect area where you could have researchers that are basically researching this type of environmental factors, right, with this maritime, let's say ecosystem with Cyprus, to actually bring two things together. So in Cyprus, our maritime center of excellence creates artificial coral reefs that are connected to the world through buoys in 5G technology, or I think communication technology and sub-drones. On the other side, Indonesia is doing the leading research that is basically trying to create biofuel from seaweed. Now, the advantage if you bring the two together is to create the world's first ecosystem that is holistic, right? Using artificial coral reefs to improve water quality in the marine environment, but at the same time to also start converting seaweed into biofuel. So this way we have a win-win-win for the entire humanity. So I would say that within each areas of cooperation where we have identified, be it the healthcare or cancer or let's say space or agri, or I would call it key digital technologies, there are counterpart institutions that can work together to advance the scientific excellence that may end up becoming a product. Obviously, Cyprus being in the EU and having access to that funds makes it, I think, an easier way for us to collaborate.
A lot of Indonesians these days are trying to get into AI. There are several startups popping up across Indonesia right now that want to explore more about AI and want to develop more about AI. How about AI? Is there any opportunities can they expect?
Sure. Artificial intelligence is supported and part of our core strategy. We basically have invested into infrastructure. We have an infrastructure called Pharos, and also an AI factory, a hypercompute node at one of our facilities and our centers of excellence. We have 7 centers of excellence that are each specialized in different areas. Phaethon for energy, MCARE for environment. We have, for example, the biobank, which is all about biobanking. We have, I would call it critical infrastructures as KIOS, Eratosthenes for space, Cyprus Space Research Center also for space. We have science, which basically is a human, let's say, experience, interfaces. So for startups, I think that want to be part of Europe and the economy, I would advise them I think set up in Cyprus, become part of the local ecosystem. By being part of the local ecosystem, and when they obtain the innovation certificate, they automatically will have access to many of these resources, including shared AI GPUs that they can really test their models on, direct access to basically, I think, center of excellence resources, and at the same time to all of the facilities provided by the Research Innovation Foundation, which I proudly chair, which include knowledge transfer zones and knowledge hub, IP, let's say commercialization type of offices. And that basically takes away a very, very big part of the overhead admin work for any startup to be able to become operational, design, build, right, and eventually ship to market on AI. The other part is that our national AI strategy is out, right? It's focused on very specific things. These specific things provide a direct guidance to startups as to where there will be national focus. And I think that's it, right? I mean, if you're eager to engage and to build on AI, we're eager to work with you. Just reach out.